Yayasan Nama Mata Indonesia adalah yayasan sosial yang peduli terhadap kesehatan mata anak-anak usia sekolah di seluruh Indonesia.
Everybody gets a heart, everybody gets a soul, everybody gets a mind to let them know that we can be smart, we can be kind, we can be living by giving and loving all the time. So on the days when it's feeling tough
Sekarang usianya berapa?
and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's